Government authorities along with the city police team demolished the temporary market sheds set up over the Nambul River at Nagamapal today. Meanwhile, Samuel Latpam Babita, secretary of the Nagamapal Street Vendor Welfare Union, condemned the government's move. She claimed that the temporary market sheds were set up after obtaining due permission from the court as a temporary replacement following the destruction of Nagamapal Kaithel in 2011. She added that these market sheds form the only source of livelihood for around 300 street vendors. Criticizing the government's decision to dismantle the temporary market ahead of the inauguration of the rotary parking at Nagamapal on July 25th, Babita appealed to the authorities to allocate vending spaces to them at the temporary market once the inauguration is over.
Notice of the Pirakre, I pretend the Hyperame, public string and Agadam to Ibim. I don't win a CMLA, like there, and the like there, the Kangan on a top of it. Check my the Gipali and the Gikan, the Gilan, but Yadan, I took the one later, but Tanzas it up with the harassment, Pirak, my top was a way as an inde, Tari Kumangada, Sangaga, the Bagari says, Sigi, the Magdalena, Awana, come tell not on be there, as you walk away, see, I'm going to go away, Pamba, and Dinam, and talk to Biru, my young